Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the latest trending effect on TikTok called Grassland swing dance. This is another fun TikTok effect where it basically pictures yourself in a grassland and you're basically dancing and swinging around. Let me show you how the creators are making a TikTok video using this effect. So to use this effect, open up TikTok. Now tap on search and search for Grassland swing dance. It should appear in the search results under effects and look like this. Tap on it. While you're here, browse through the videos on how your videos will turn out. To use the effect and set the sound, tap on a video which is using this effect. Now this will take you to TikTok's recording screen. First, you need to record yourself thinking of something or maybe explaining something to someone on a serious matter. When the beat kicks in, enable the effect and then record yourself dancing. And that is how to use the Grassland swing dance effect on TikTok. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.